Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Gmail app not syncing contacts. So if the Gmail app is not syncing contacts, and in this video I found two really easy ways in order to basically fix this. It's going to be really quick and easy, so let's just immediately get started. Fix number one is heading over to settings, then scrolling down till you find contacts right here, then click on accounts and then click on Gmail, and you need to make sure that contacts is enabled. Now if this is disabled, you can simply switch this enabling by clicking on enable, and basically once you've done that you're already good to go, and you're basically good to go. Now what you also need to do, which is really important, is scrolling up, clicking on your name right here, then clicking on iCloud, clicking on show all, and you want to make sure that contacts is also enabled. And basically once you've done that, your contacts will automatically sync through iCloud. So yeah, I will definitely recommend doing that, and basically that is the easiest way in order to just fix this issue. So let me know down in the comments below if this fixed it for you. And if it did, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.